Dr. Swayam. Dr. Swayam comes from a very small rural location part of Odisha, which is one of the most wealthiest states of our nation. And even though coming from a very small town, he was having a zeal and enthusiasm to grow high, which made him to reach to do his PhD in 3D printing. The time when 3D printing, very few of us, even in mechanical engineering, knew, he found out that 3D printing will be the next future, and he has done his PhD in 3D printing. And if you can simply type Dr. Swayam Bikash Mishra in Google, you can see his publications, where around 134 citations, overall citations, which H index 7 is there. And in specific, this year 2021, he alone received 51 presentations. That's really an appreciable remark what he has done. And at the same time, recently we came to know that he has got the second patent. If I am wrong, please correct me. They have filed 4 patents, and he has got the second patent. Having one patent is a remarkable thing in one's professional life when they are working in academic and research. And we should be really happy. And I think that definitely you will enjoy through the entire presentation. And this is the last session. And thank you for joining, students, and thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. The session is yours. Please proceed.
Thank you, Srikhar sir. A very good afternoon, all of you. This is Dr. Swayam Bikash Mishra from KIT University.
Sorry to interrupt you. If you are comfortable, you can turn on the video. If you are not comfortable,
no issue, sir. No issue. Because sir, actually, I'm right now. So it is raining very heavily here. So I hope some interruption will be there. If some interruption, please intimate me, or else I will switch off the video.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Please go ahead.
Thank you. Okay. Very good afternoon, all of you. This is Dr. Swayam Bikash Mishra from KIT University. Srikhar sir have already into family member. Thank you, Srikhar sir. We have done our PhD from NIT Rourkela, both of us. And right now I am working at KIT University as the assistant professor to senior grade. And my research area is on 3D printing. So Srikhar sir just told me just 2 days before, just you do one presentation, take a presentation for us, and that was on innovations in 3D printing. I have just added one term, innovations and challenges in 3D printing, because what are the recent trends that you will see in the innovation section, and what are the basic challenges that the 3D printing is facing on this when it is accepted throughout the globe, like in the industry, in the aerospace, in the automobile sector. What are the basic challenges it is facing? So these things we will discuss here. First of all, what is this 3D printing exactly that we will focus here? This is one type of additive manufacturing, because metal is added one over another, and secondary is subtractive process. You know everything that is subtractive, additive, and limited selection of materials and cost of pre- of post processing. The main thing it is taking main cost actually we are facing during this cost of post processing. If you whatever things you are printing, if you directly you can use it directly, then post processing is not required. Then if you will go for the coating, printing, and other manufacturing processes, then it will cost more. And part quality is not an issue right now. We are getting adequate or very high strength as well as high reliable parts in the 3D printing. These are not the issues in the 3D printing nowadays. So these are the applications: electronics, healthcare, heavy equipment, industrial machines, automotive, transportation, and also in the aerospace components. So these are the main applications of this 3D printing technology. So these are record material, what availability of the material, what is the cost of the material depending on how your weight as well as the strength. That is, the cost of material varies, and material selection is not that much free. You cannot choose any material to, that should be printed in the 3D printing technology. So that is also one problem for this electronics people, and all it is also very problematic for other people also. And in healthcare also, people who have to do their before going for a surgical operation, they need to trial applications, trial surgical planning.